Hey guys, thanks again for coming back to the channel. Today I have a pretty small project, but it's going to make the car look a lot better. So if you are weird like me, you probably noticed that these plastic pieces like the rear vent grill, the speaker grill, and the baby seat plastic covers, they're all kind of yellowing, and I really hate that because it makes the car look older. Well, our car is old, but it makes it look older than it is. So today I'm going to be addressing that. And it's actually pretty simple. All you have to do is fold the rear seats back, and there's 3 clips that you need to take out, and just pull it out and it should come out. And there's 3 clips here, here, and here. And in case you were curious, this is how underneath the rear parcel shelf looks like. It's cool that we have 2 speakers per side. I didn't know that. You learn something new every day. And I have all the pieces laid out here. It was actually really easy to take these out. I didn't break anything. You still might want to be careful because knowing GM's plastic quality, some of them might break easily. So I'm gonna clean these with alcohol first. Guys, I was right about GM quality plastic. So I started wiping these down with alcohol, and I noticed these things coming off, and all you have to do is just go over with your fingernail and they just come off like that. So yeah, it's crazy, but I guess with years of sunlight it's understandable. So I'm gonna go gentle on these. They're obviously not that important. So I'm done wiping these down, and I'm going to shoot these with Rust-Oleum Stark Steel again. Instead of going with a really tacky solid color, I'm gonna try to match the rest of the car, and then I'm gonna shoot it with matte clear.
I'll be back.
So here is the end result. I think it came out really good. It's way better than the fading yellow plastic. I kind of wanted to go with black, but I wanted to try something different. So if you guys want to do this, it's very simple to do. So if you guys hate the yellow look, I recommend doing this. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I have a really fun project coming up. So with that said, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.